India's Champions Trophy campaign begins with a win against the Bangla boys. India win by 6 wickets with 21 balls left, and India's prince of ODI cricket, Shubman Gill, has stepped up again. अभय जयकर, पहले तो भाई चालू करने के पहले, you've been a person who's been critical of Shubman Gill in the past. Let's start with that. What were your thoughts on his performance tonight?
I mean, in ODI cricket, I have no doubts. I have doubts for other formats, which is quite the record shows it for itself. But in this format, I think he is a prince now. But soon, if this format continues, we don't know
Don't
how
say
long
it.
it will continue. But yeah,
Don't
he
say it. क्योंकि अभी जो भी किंग बन रहा है उसके ऊपर थोड़ा कर्स चल रहा है.
किंग नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं एम्परर बोल रहा हूँ, ब्रो.
सीधा एम्परर.
Yeah, he can be an emperor in this format, but we don't know how long ODI cricket will continue. But in this format, he's got like the complete control.
But yeah, मतलब on the outset it looks like a comfortable win for India, right? But
Yes.
it was far from comfortable. Starting out, Bangladesh, man, they chose to bat first, and Rohit Sharma at the toss said कि हम भी bowling ही करते पहले, तो probably we got what we wanted and they got what they wanted.
Yeah.
And they really struggled, dude. Starting में Shami ने भी विकेट निकाला, हर्षित राणा ने भी विकेट निकाला. Before we get into those performances, what did you think about the fast bowling selection, man? मुझे तो लगा Arshdeep Singh getting dropped or like not being selected was a bit surprising. And this whole Gautam Gambhir quota or KKR quota coming into action. I mean, Harshit Rana has again taken 3 wickets today.
Yeah.
Not bad at all. But I think Arshdeep still merits a position in the team over him because he's absolutely been killing it in the other limited over format, which is T20 cricket. And even जो इंग्लैंड के अगेंस्ट लास्ट ओडीआई था उसके अंदर भी अर्शदीप ने काफी अच्छी बॉल डाली थी.
Yeah. I mean, Shami to was a lock-in. Once Shami was fit, he was going to play because ICC record, everything is just there, out there. But the choice was there between Arshdeep and Harshit. What I think is, knowing Gambhir, he wants batting till 9 also. Because Harshit ने वो एक last match में I think 2-3 कुछ तो. So I don't know, that could be the reasoning. But Harshit Rana has done pretty well. If you see his test debut, 3 wickets. ODI debut, 3 wickets. T20 debut, 3 wickets. ICC debut, 3 wickets. So he's good right now. So not bad. I mean,
not bad. Yeah. Not much to complain about. Had he, मतलब अगर वो आज फ्लॉप कर जाता और पिट जाता तो भाई सब लोग, anyways जब मैच चालू हुआ था सब लोग यही क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे कि how come you are not playing Arshdeep Singh?
Yeah.
And Bangladesh was reduced to 35 for 5 and 8.3 overs. एंड एट दैट टाइम तो ऐसे लग रहा था कि अभी और एक आध घंटे की बात है बस, एंड इंडिया निपटा देगा इनको और मैच भी कोई, मतलब बांग्लादेश विल बैरली क्रॉस 100 रन्स.
In fact, we were joking, right, that 5:30 को ही करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, हम लोग जब वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करने का सोच रहे थे, वी आर लाइक कि भाई अभी 1 घंटे में ही करना पड़ेगा, ये तो लग रहा है. एंड अक्षर पटेल
हो भी जाता था वो रोहित, he was just, I think he wanted some batting practice, तो बोला चलो छोड़ो इसको.
अक्षर पटेल, man, you gotta feel bad for the man. Missed out on a hat trick.
And there were some records also that were set. If he would have gotten a hat trick, he would have been the first spinner to get a hat trick in Champions Trophy or some.
He would have been the first Indian spinner to get a hat trick in the ICC event, and he would have been the only second bowler in Champions Trophy ever to get a hat trick. Can you guess who was the first bowler?
Yeah, Jerome Taylor, West Indies.
Yes. Yeah. Good one. I think सब लोग ने पढ़ लिया ये stat.
सब लोग को याद है.
He's been doing the route. So KL Rahul also, man, he missed a stumping. Although I think his keeping today he did decently well, right? Like Akshar Patel के भी जो पहले 2 विकेट उसने लिए in the hat trick that could have been, दोनों catches decent थे, कोई typical behind the stumps action. But उसके बाद भाई middle overs में तो मुझे लगा काफी struggle किया हम लोग ने.
I think they took it too casually, and we've seen this happen with our team also. Like, not the first Indian team to take things casually whenever like quick wickets fall. वो tail enders या lower order मारते ही है. मतलब, you know, we somewhat lack that killer instinct. Like, I don't know, it could be that because there was no reason to like let them score 229 after having them 35 for 5.
Correct. So, and मतलब जब 229 उन लोग ने बना दिया था भाई, I was scared for a bit क्योंकि अब like अभी मैच बन सकता है क्योंकि अगर इन लोग ने इंडिया के विकेट्स निकाल लिए जल्दी, and like if there's like a mini collapse, anything can happen.
Yeah, 260 would have been a dangerous score, bro. 260 would have been a dangerous score because
सही में
like the second innings was a carry job by Shubman Gill. अगर कुछ भी उधर उधर गलत होता तो यू नेवर नो.
बट भाई सेकंड इनिंग्स पे जाने के पहले मोहम्मद शामी के बारे में तो बात करनी पड़ेगी भाई. 2023 की इंजरी के बाद मतलब उसने खेला अभी इंग्लैंड वाली सीरीज भी, बट दिस सीम्स लाइक द क्लोजेस्ट टू द ओल्ड शामी दैट we've been used to.
Yes.
And after today's fifer, he's become India's highest wicket taker in ICC tournaments, 60
Yes.
wickets. And he's ahead of some great names, right, in that list. मतलब Zahir Khan, Jasprit Bumrah, all these guys. और इन सबके आगे मोहम्मद शामी है. मतलब after when I saw that list, I'm like, bhai, I don't think we appreciate Shami as much as we should.
Absolutely. I mean, he's like a one. He should be in those GOAT conversations. But the sad part is that whenever Shami has played a ICC event, he's not won that tournament. That is a sad part about it. So I hope that we win this at least for Shami, because if there was one person who deserved to win that ICC World Cup, it was Shami, because he
Yeah.
played with a injection like painkiller or whatever, and he just gave it his all. So yeah, and we
And
didn't
वो
even
तो भाई exactly. He came into the team because Hardik got that injury, and after that,
Yeah.
Shami was absolutely on fire.
Yeah,
So,
so I mean, he deserves the ICC trophy if anything, or else it will be like a shame, not on him but on Indian cricket itself.
अरे
और
ठीक है, कर लेंगे भाई. प्रिंस कर लेगा.
प्रिंस कर लेगा, किंग को भी करना पड़ेगा, सबको करना पड़ेगा. इट्स नॉट
शामी के लिए करना पड़ेगा. बट स्पीकिंग ऑफ द सेकंड इनिंग्स, मैन, स्टार्टेड आउट इन आवर टिपिकल फैशन. रोहित शर्मा इंटेंट मर्चेंट, 41 रन्स ऑफ 36 बॉल्स. भाई ये सेम इनिंग्स हमने कितनी बार पहले देखी है.
बट इट वाज अ वेरी फनी इनिंग्स ब्रो. वो पहले बॉल से मारने जा रहा था. ये सब हो रहा था.
There was in the second over, okay, Ravi Shastri was on commentary, and I think Mustafizur Rahman डाल रहा था second over, and Rohit missed 3 balls continuously.
Yeah.
And Ravi Shastri is like, oh, the batter and the bowler, both of them are searching. The bowler searching for the edge, and Rohit Sharma searching for the ball.
But yeah, that's how he bats, and that's how he should bat in this format, because that's what has given him success in the recent past as well. So
Tell me
because
something. I
yeah.
have a question, okay? Now, Rohit Sharma made 41 of 36. He could have easily carried on. Easily,
Yeah.
to nahi, but like he could have carried on, run a ball, and made like maybe like a 70 ball, 75 or something like that. Usually, वो 30 ball 41 बनाता है. आज 36 ball 41 बनाया है. Do you think an innings like this is more valuable, or an innings like maybe a 70 ball 75 or something like that is more valuable, where you're adding a lot more?
I mean, I think that's his role. He knows that Shubman Gill is capable of taking the innings through. Kohli is there. There's KL Rahul down the order, who's got some amount of, game sense to take. Like I said, tricky chases, they are the ones that have the role to take the innings through. So his game, I think Shreyas Iyer also same role. Aao, bajao. Akshar Patel, Hardik Pandya, these guys have those roles that have been given to just come in and bash. The
Fair
other
enough.
three have to just take the innings through. So yeah, I don't mind, because that's what given him success. अगर वो start अच्छा नहीं करता, if he would have like played suppose 20 of 35 balls, we would have been in pressure, because
वो Babar Azam type innings.
so
होती तो
that
pressure होगा.
innings was a very good innings, because it gave us a start. We got like some 69 runs in the power play, power play in 10 overs. So that start itself allowed Kohli to play the way he did, and Gill also to get settled into his innings.
Bhai,
So, yeah,
speaking
it was
of
a very-
Kohli, man, Kohli did his best Babar Azam impression today. 22 runs of 38 balls. And उसको भाई पहले 6-7 बॉल तो वो he
Yeah.
couldn't take that single only. He wasn't able to get off the mark.
I
And
remember it was some 13 of 30 balls एक स्टेज पे, और बाउंड्री नहीं आई. एक वो फिर गंदा बॉल डाला पैर पे जो उसने फ्लिक किया 4 के लिए.
एक ही बाउंड्री मारा उसने भाई
एक ही
उसके
मारा. हाँ, वही एक था जो पैर पे डाला, उसने फ्लिक किया कैसे तो 4 गया. But
Do
yeah,
you think
again,
his form is a concern? He's not looking up to the mark.
I don't know. I don't want to doubt Kohli in this format, because if there's anyone who's like the GOAT of this format, it's Virat Kohli. So
वो बात तो है भाई, किंग कर लेगा.
you know who is playing next. So
एंड द फैक्ट कि उसके रन इस मैच में नहीं आए हैं, मतलब अगले मैच में वो बनाने वाला है फॉर श्योर.
किंग तो
But-
कर लेगा. कौन सा किंग? एक ही किंग.
Asli king.
Yeah.
But by Virat Kohli got out again to leg spin. There's a stat that since the 2023 World Cup, out of I think 8 or 9 innings in ODIs, 6 times or 7 times he's got out to leg spin.
Yeah.
Abhi even recent series mein against England, he got out a couple of times against this guy Rashid Khan.
Adil Rashid, yeah.
Adil Rashid, and even in the Sri Lanka series, he kept getting out against their leg spinner.
Yeah, that is a concern. That is a definite concern because in Test match it's like that outside off stump line, and in ODI there's leg spinner thing which is troubling him. So yeah, I mean, but Pakistan also has that one spinner, Abrar, I think. But so Woi, I think, will be a danger. But then that guy is also like inexperienced, I think. So
Let's
yeah,
see.
let's see. I have hopes in from the Pakistan game कि एक 70-80 तो आ ही जाएगा उससे, कोहली से, because
Let's
that's
hope.
the
Let's
game
hope
he
that happens. Hope that happens.
up.
बट यार ये पिच तो मतलब ये स्टेडियम के अंदर जो आज जो पिच पे खेल रहा था ये तो बिल्कुल मजेदार पिच नहीं थी ब्रो. इफ वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले ऑन द सेम पिच, इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ ट्रिकी फ्यू मैचेस फॉर इंडिया बिकॉज these 230, 240, 250 sort of scores might end up becoming winning scores against better bowling lineups.
And there was no due. That's what the whole thing was, right? कि there
Hmm.
was no due. So if India actually bats first and if we get 280 and we are playing 3 spinners and if there's no due, then actually it's a masterclass that we've taken 5 spinners. Because
Correct.
then तो बनता है भाई 3 स्पिनर लेके जाओ तो एक चौथा भी ऐड कर लो वरुण चक्रवर्ती पे खिलाओ कैसे तो. I don't know.
Yeah.
Could be a master stroke if we bat, but then Rohit chose to bat. He said that he wanted to bat second. So yeah, but I think 260, 270 can be a winning total if the pitches remain the same.
या बट आज मतलब एक टाइम पे चेज में थोड़ा लग रहा था ट्रिकी ब्रो. लाइक शुभमन गिल hung in there, played a good innings, and I think KL Rahul also played a very underrated hand towards the end.
Yes.
उसको इनफैक्ट बट इन लोग ने ड्रॉप किया एक बारी, बांग्लादेश ने काफी डॉली सा कैच ड्रॉप कर दिया था उसका when he was on 10 or 12 or something. The match
हाँ.
could have changed further after that, but
भाई
अच्छा
उसमें
खेला
तो रोहित का रिएक्शन देखना चाहिए. ड्रॉप 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 ऐसे कुछ तो बोल रहा था वो जब ड्रॉप किया तो. That was very funny. That reaction. I don't know if you've seen it. It's a very funny
missed
reaction.
it.
Yeah. But yeah,
But
KL
yeah,
Rahul played a mature innings. As I said that उसका वही रोल है. I don't think his role is to come and bash. वो रोल हार्दिक, अक्सर and अय्यर का है, and Rohit obviously. But the rest I think they have to just see the innings through. So yeah, he
but
played it
yeah,
well.
सही है. I think that's it for like a good start for India, right? Like tricky
Yeah.
start, lot of things that could have gone wrong sort of went right, and I'm happy that it wasn't a straightforward easy win. Otherwise ये लोग complacent हो जाते, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में चले जाते. थोड़ा इनको रियलिटी चेक भी मिल गया है आज कि भाई हल्के में नहीं ले सकते किसी भी टीम को, and the pitch, the ground that they are playing on is sort of tricky, so gives them a good picture. अभी next up Pakistan and then New Zealand, man. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, but if we beat Pakistan, then we are through with New Zealand because then Pakistan would have lost 2 games, and I don't
Yes.
see Bangladesh.
But wait. Amay, hold that. Hold your thoughts about that for our India-Pakistan preview episode.
Let's go.
For anyone who's watching, thanks a lot for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to Ball and Banter and comment and tell us whose performance, apart from Shubman Gill, impressed you today. And we are going to come back tomorrow with the India-Pakistan preview right here. Until then, adios.
आज के लिए फिलहाल इतना ही. आपकी तरह मैं भी मायूस हूँ, लेकिन उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है. दिल दुखा है लेकिन टूटा तो नहीं है, और उम्मीद का दामन छूटा तो नहीं है. इसलिए आज के लिए इतना ही.